Guys, I don't know if you guys can see. Wow. Did you see? You want to take it to the park?
Come on, Derek. Help.
Look how beautiful this is.
Right, left, right. Straight down. 7 yards. 22. Pull it down.
So today I booked one of my favorite campgrounds, and it's a hike-in.
Thank you.
So it's a 5 minutes. It's a 5 minutes walk from the parking. This is one of my favorite campgrounds ever. It's a bit of a walk, but it's worth the walk. There's my family. I don't know if you guys can see. And then every hike-in site comes with individual bathrooms. Here, individual toilets. Site number 69. Wow.
Oh, still on. Yeah.
Oh no.
Good.
Will you bring my food?
Today we are setting up a brand new tent. I'm here.
What, Mama?
So this is the tent.
I'm just gonna try and get in. Let me see.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna go take off my shoes and
Yeah.
try it. Whoa, Mom, that's
So
awesome.
that is our tent.
Ow. Mama, Derek, help, Mom. Derek, let's get Mom, get Let me go see.
Yeah, let's go.
Excuse me.
Come on.
Yeah.
Ooh. Just asking, maybe I'm gonna go check on it. Excuse me.
So from the site, we could walk to the pond right here. So our campsite is right there, and then
Look at the car. Excuse me. I think I forgot my paint bag. Oh no! I just lost Google and Dad.
they're coming, they're coming. So guys, because this is a bear country, we have a bear box, and especially a hiking site is a bit deeper from regular drive-in sites.
The water is all the way up 68.
So take the...
I'm about to take the big scooter. The water's in.
Where's he going? The white legs.
Somebody's making burgers.
Yeah, somebody's making.
I'll put this stove.
Put it right here.
What outside?
No, I'll put rice in the gas. Gas will not take, rice will not take that much time.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Huh? No, gas I'll put it on top of it. Or maybe even down, so I don't mind.
Oh.
So guys, today for dinner I'm making Chettinad chicken. I made all the spices at home. I have my marinated chicken here, and I'm going to use coconut oil. And guys, here are the spices. I made this at home. I'm going to list it below so you can check all the ingredients I used to make this Chettinad chicken curry powder.
Oh, he came up again.
It's like from here, right down there. I'm taking a cycle.
so cool to take you to the park.
No.
Mama, I'm telling you to take you to the park.
You want to take her to the park? Huh?
Whoa, whoa.
You want to take her to the
Go
park?
for
There's also a children's park.
Oh, good job, Cuckoo. You blow the bubble, but I just. Guys, I'm over here.
Wiggle. On the post, right here.
Right?
Ready?
Move this.
Why not put it on this?
Yeah, you are.
Chicken. Daddy.
So guys, I made this Kerala Parotta at
I don't
home
want-
and I froze them.
I'm gonna make. Okay, thanks, Cuckoo. Careful.
You want to serve you or you want to serve yourself? Huh? Hello.
No, you guys. Yes, this is Kerala
Guys, you
Parotta.
have
Look at
blue and
all those
gold
plates.
and blue tape and ice.
Yeah. Anybody who wants, take it.
Take.
Yeah, take it guys, take it. Wait, no, I have to beat it.
Whoa.
That don't work? You don't work?
Here guys, here.
Ooh. Yeah, be careful.
Give it.
Can I? You have my water.
Do you want the sleeping bag?
Huh? Not now, later. Yeah.
Later.
Move it from there.
No.
Who wants parotta?
Me.
There's one more.
Okay, you all guys go in the bathroom. Let's go first. Cuckoo, you gonna win that and whoop first.
Yes, I am.
Oh. Okay, then can I? Yes,
Mm.
then. I don't know, my arm gonna go free. No, it's too hard. I will take my eyes. Okay, and oh no.
I got these cheesecakes from Aldi's and they're so good. Oh Look at that!
No, what's that?
See, it's infested with bugs. Wow! I don't know if you guys can see this.
They're drawn
The
to
top
life.
portion of the tent is infested with bugs.
Wow.
Did you see that?
Hey, Mama. Mama. Be careful.
Bring me shirt back then. I destroy my shirt. Check.
Huh?
See the next one? Okay. Don't let the camera out, right? Hi, baby dear. Don't run away, don't run away. Wow. No, I told you it was a deer. Dude, Mom, I can't believe you just stuck my ear. What? Oh no. Dad, no, there is mosquitoes behind us.
No, that's fine. Yeah. They use area. Guys, look at the day use area. How beautiful it is. So you can come and barbecue here and look at the views.
Good. Ready, go.
Look at
Ready,
that.
do that. Wow.
Look how beautiful this is.
Ja man, kannst du da kommen.
Oh, you have. Ow, ow, ow. Dad, I just hurt my arm. That's for you. Ow, ow, ow.
Bubba? Give me that cup. Give me that cup. You burst the cup, me darling.
I just... Did you put it in the fire?
Go over higher.
Oh my arm can't buy that. Yeah. We'll bring jumbo eggs. Oh, where we are, God. Oh, the bird.
Come, let me spread the jam too. Eat.
Guys,
You did it. She spread it nicely.
guys, I'm just spreading the jam. That's for breakfast. the park.
Guys, we are here at the Little Pond campground at the hiking site number 70, and it's a little bit of walk, but the site is very nice, very primitive. Two tents can fit, not more than that, and every site has a toilet, I mean a bathroom, porta-potty, but it's very dirty. So if you're hiking, you can either walk to the main bathroom where drive-in sites are, or you can have your own little porta-potty. But the ones which they give you here is really dirty, nasty. It's filled with napkins. They haven't cleansed it, I guess. So yeah. But if you ask me, you'd rather book the drive-in sites, because hiking sites are all the same price. Which you have to pay $29. Water source, again, you have to walk further if you need water. So hiking sites are good if you really want like primitive primitive camping. But otherwise, for the same money, there's no water, the toilets are dirty. You rather book drive-in sites. Yeah, so if you like the video, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you. If you guys are still watching the video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Huh? Oh.
For me.
So guys, look at the trails they have here. Beaver kill this stuff. Yeah, nice.
Oh, is that the food? Wait.
Cycle correct. Yeah.
No, the one that goes right the last time. You don't see our ball when it starts. But 16 and